Let's go. You know it, baby.
And a GGB can, the 600R. It's like 30 degrees out.
Oh, she's stuck.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Oh, you left
There's
one
more. Didn't see that one. She should be free now. Oh yeah. Time for that new on there, right? Probably ordered the wrong one.
Sent us the wrong one. Oh. Is that gonna fit? It is the wrong one.
Can't be the wrong one.
It doesn't even fit. It doesn't even reach to down there. This is not the one.
It literally said for all players Axis chassis, right? I even screenshotted the thing. Okay guys, minor problem. We might have ordered the wrong can. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we seem to have ordered the wrong can. The GGB can didn't fit, so not gonna be able to do anything else tonight. Probably just stuff some paper towel in the exhaust there so no mice crawl up it or anything, and we'll have to order the new can. He's in the garage over there packaging it up. We'll go check it out.
So that's a bummer.
How do we return this?
What's going on with the 600?
Everything.
Oh my.
The whole bottom's taken out. $8,000 miles.
She's a trooper. What are you doing, Nolan?
Nothing. Just gotta snap it into place. It's not
That
on.
ought to do her.
No, no. Yeah. That's just
Damn Polaris,
that's
as I
just
tell
what
ya.
it needs sometimes.
Needs a little beating every once in a while.
GoPro still on?
Yep.
You piece of